Welcome to Beautyistic. In today's review, we're diving into the Nadula 7x5 Bye-Bye Knots Curtain Bangs wig. Whether you're a wig pro or a newbie, this one promises comfort and versatility, so let's see how it really stacks up. This wig is made from 100% raw virgin human hair, which means it's soft, tangle-free, and resistant to shedding. It's a 7x5 HD lace closure wig, designed with pre-plucked, pre-bleached knots, and ready to wear right out of the box. No need for any extra styling work. Just throw it on and go. The wig comes with curtain bangs that frame the face nicely, and the lace closure is meant to melt into your skin for a seamless, natural look. Another highlight is the upgraded 3D dome wig cap, which features an adjustable elastic band and drawstring to fit head sizes from 21 to 24 inches, offering comfort and security. So, how does it perform in real-world use? The wig's texture is incredibly soft and feels like natural hair. Putting it on is super simple thanks to the pre-cut lace, and it didn't take long to get it positioned just right. The curtain bangs, which give the wig that trendy, flattering style, sit perfectly on the face without much effort. I found the fit to be snug but comfortable, and it didn't slide off throughout the day, which is a big plus. However, the lace can be a bit stiff initially, so it took some adjusting to get the most natural look around the hairline. When it comes to styling, this wig lives up to its versatility. You can curl it, straighten it, and even dye it without worrying about damage. The 7x5 lace closure allows you to experiment with different styles, so it's not just a one-and-done look. It can truly transform with your mood or occasion. On the flip side, the curtain bangs do require a bit of attention if you want them to stay perfectly shaped throughout the day. I did notice a slight bit of frizz after a few hours, but that was easy to manage with some light product. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this wig is incredibly easy to wear with minimal maintenance. The pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots save you time, and the wig is comfortable, with no itching or tightness. The 100% human hair quality is another huge win, making it feel and look like your own hair. On the downside, while the 7x5 lace closure gives you lots of styling options, it's a bit more noticeable in the frontal area than I'd like, especially if the lace isn't properly melted. It might take a little extra work to get that perfect, flawless blend. Is it worth the price? For the quality of the hair and the convenience of the pre-styled features, I'd say it offers decent value. The convenience alone is worth considering, as it eliminates a lot of the hassle usually involved in wig preparation. Plus, the added accessories, like the HD wig cap, wig band, and ear tape, make this an all-inclusive purchase, which is a nice touch. In comparison to other wigs in this category, the Nadula wig holds up well. Its combination of pre-plucked features, versatility, and easy wear makes it stand out from others, especially those that require more setup time. Some other brands might offer similar products for a lower price, but they tend to lack the same level of natural finish and comfort that this wig provides. When it comes to build quality, the materials used in this wig feel sturdy, and the 3D dome cap design ensures a secure fit. I haven't had the wig long enough to speak on its long-term durability, but initial impressions are positive. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some more affordable wigs out there that might not have all the features of the Nadula wig, but still offer a decent natural look with less styling effort. However, for those who want something low maintenance and high quality, this could be worth the investment. To wrap things up, the Nadula 7x5 Bye-Bye Knots Curtain Bangs wig is a solid choice for anyone looking for a glueless, versatile wig that delivers a natural look with minimal effort. It performs well in terms of style and comfort, though the lace closure could use a little more attention to make it truly seamless. If you're after a convenient, ready-to-wear wig that offers styling flexibility, this might be the one for you. If this review helped, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other wig lovers can discover this video too. Let me know your thoughts or if you've already tried this wig. I'm curious to hear how it worked for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, the link to get this wig is in the comments below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences. Until next time, stay fabulous with Beautyistic.